The Human Rights Commission has taken interest in the reported deteriorating health situation of Dr. Chishimba Kambili, who was in Zambia Correction Service custody. From the time he was transferred from Kasama Central Correctional Facilities to Lusaka Central Correctional Facility with a view of facilitating his appearance in the courts of law for other cases, the Commission took interest and visited him on 13th August 2025 to assess his reported health situations. 2 days after the Commission visited Dr. Kambili, we also had an entourage from the Patriotic Front political party, led by its acting president, Honorable Given Rubinda, to report on the same matter. We advised them that the Commission was already actively attending to that matter on its own evolution, and that our findings were, among others, were that Dr. Chishimba Kambili was not being kept in a cell where other inmates are, but was being kept in a clinic within the Zambia Correctional Service at Lusaka Central there, so that he can have access to medical facilities and services in accordance with his health needs. We had an opportunity to interact with Dr. Chishimba Kambili, who complained of having high blood pressure, among other health challenges he explained. The Commission had also an opportunity to interact with the Zambia Correction Service officials, as well as the medical personnel who are attending to Honorable Chishimba Kambili. So the Commission will continue monitoring the situation and will rely on the strength of the advice of the medical personnel, who are the only competent authority to render any advice on health-related matters. Our interest is to ensure that his right to health is upheld, whether within the Zambia Correctional Service clinic or any other option that the medical personnel will advise that would be the best suitable alternative to improve his health situation.